Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Taurus, April 20 to May 20. Today is May 3, 2024, Friday. It is all about the Four of Pentacles or Four of Coins. In numerology, in Western numerology, when they say four, it is the ending or the finished product. Hence, for the horoscope for the day, we say that within 4 weeks or within this point of time, we are bound to be on the edge of our discovery towards progress. We mean that problems to be solved or to be unsolved and unresolved. Ano po ba ang horoscope natin sa araw na ito ng Mayo 3, 2024, araw ng Biyernes na may kinalaman sa 4 de Pentaculo o Four of Pentacles. Pagtatapos ng isang bagay o nagkaroon ka na ng solusyon, nakagawa ka ng tamang paraan para sa sarili mo. Ito na yung end product na i-deliver mo na.